What's up, Mopar fans? We're back today with another video. We changed the exhaust system on Frostbite again. We ended up going with the DynoMax race bullets, and they sound pretty good. Also want to give a shout out to my boy RT Life. Got his t-shirt on. I'm gonna put the link in the description for his t-shirts. He's got some badass designs. I'm definitely gonna get some more. I've had a lot of people ask me about this one when I go to car meets and car shows and so whatnot, but definitely like this shirt, especially if you got a 345. But anywho, guys, let's get on with the race bullets. They're pretty much a glass pack muffler. It's a straight through design. You know, it's not much to it. It's kind of like a cherry bomb or an old school glass pack or something, but they definitely sound a lot better. I don't know if it's just they got more glass pack in them or what, but they definitely sound better. I've ran, you know, cherry bombs and stuff like that before on previous cars, and they're usually pretty crackly sounding, but these are really low and deep sounding and really throaty. But yeah, check out the video, guys, and tell me what you think. We took the thrust rattlers off and we just welded in some DynoMax race bullets on both sides behind the 5-inch tips. That's the driver's side, race bullet, race bullet. So that's my exhaust now. We're going to see what it sounds like. And just a regular Y pipe right there. Going to the JBA 3-inch Y pipe to the JBA headers. So no cats, pretty much straight pipe all the way back to the new DynoMax race bullets. So we're gonna see what this sounds like. Alright, we're gonna do the first start with the DynoMax race bullets. That's the idle with the race bullets. Now we're gonna romp on a little bit. That sounds pretty freaking amazing. Wow. Do it again. $4,500. Hit it again. I also had Jay Green turn up my tune so that now we can rev the engine in park and neutral up to 6,000. I think the computer usually limits you to 4,000, so now we can rev it all the way to 6. Alright, one more time back here. Alright, this is outside sound test of the DynoMax race bullets. Let's see what they sound like outside.